Hello. Good afternoon. How are you? Good. I am too. I am good. Very good. What is your name? Name. What is your name? Anna. Anna. I am Anna. I am Anna. I am teacher Heidi. I am teacher Heidi. Nice meeting you. Well done. Very good. All right. For today's lesson, we are going to study Can All Birds Fly? Bird, bird, bird. Very good. Okay, let's start with the lesson. Let's start with the lesson. There. Okay, Anna, look at the picture. What animals do you like? Circle. Circle the animal that you like. Oh, oh, wow. Elephant. Very good. Well done. What else? Number two. Cat. Me too. I like cat. And dog. 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 Good job. Look at the cat. Very good, Anna. Now, let's see what do we have here. Okay, Anna. Now, let's check. Oh, wow. What can you see? Very good. A bird. I can see a bird too. This bird is called a mag. This one. It's a magpie. Magpie. Magpies. Good job. Magpie. This is a magpie. Now, there. This is a magpie. This is a mag. There. That is a magpie, Anna. Magpie. Two magpies. One, two. Two magpies. I'm gonna show you. We have two magpies here. We have one and two. Two. Two magpies. Well done. Very good. Okay, next. We have, what do we have next? Magpies. Look, we have how many magpies? Look at the picture. How many magpies can you see? One, two, three, four. Four magpies. Magpies are birds. Bird. Birds. Magpies with letter S are birds. Oh, there. Letter S. Next. We have next is how about this one? Click, click and find all the magpies. Circle the magpies. One, this one. We have here one, two, three, four. What? Where? And five. I will give you star. Very good. There's your star. Good job. Now, let's go to this one. Magpies. This Anna. Magpies. One, two are birds. They are birds. Magpies are birds. And magpies can can fly. They can fly. Keep it up. Very good, Anna. How about can you show me or circle magpies? Oh, show me. Where are the magpies? Magpie number one, two, three, four. Magpies. Very good. I will give you a cake. Now, let's go to this one. Oh, look at the picture. What can you see? What can you see? A bird? Yes, it is bird. It is called a penguin. 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 This is a penguin. I have penguins here. Look, Anna. One. Hi. Two. Hello. I have two penguins. Two penguins. Yes, I have two penguins. How about Anna? There. This is a penguin. This is a penguin. 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 Very good, Anna. How about this one? How many penguins? Let's count. How many penguins can you see? One, two penguins. Good job. I will give you two stars. Two stars. Very good. Next. Oh, wait. Let's go back. There. Penguins are birds. Let's read. Penguins. Penguins are birds. They are birds. Yes, penguins are birds. How about here? Find the correct penguin's wings. There is there are one, two, three. But we are only looking for one correct wing. So which one is it? Is it this one? Is it number two? No, It's number three. Yay, very good. I will give you a watermelon. Mm, mm, mm. Very good. Anna. Now, how about this one? Okay. Penguins. We have two penguins. They are birds. Yes, penguins are birds. But penguins cannot. No, they cannot fly. Penguins cannot fly. Correct. They cannot fly. How about here? Oh, we have birds here. Look at this one, Anna. Teacher will show you birds. Okay, so we have birds, birds, birds. Magpies can fly. Yes, they can fly. Penguins cannot fly. Cannot fly. Good job. I will give you another star. Very good, Anna. Now, let's see. What do we have for our last here? Okay. Number one question is this. One, two, three. The question's incomplete. Can penguins fly? Correct. Penguins cannot fly. Very good. Number two. Are magpies birds? Yes. Well done. Magpies are birds. And how about question number? Oh, okay. Now, let's see. Do you know any other birds that can fly aside from magpies? Eagle, correct. What else? Dove or pigeon? Good job. That is it. Thank you, Anna. Bye. Bye. See you next time. We'll give you a candy.